And, you know, Chris used to come over to my apartment sometimes. We used to live next to each other. So who are you dipping into these days, Chris, in the early morning hours?
What? Who am I dipping into?
You guys.
There's no football on.
You know what?
I come over to watch
Never
football,
mind.
Stephanie.
Just because you guys have your minds in the gutter, Chris and I are friends, have always been friends, and that's it. Just do the top three. I'm doing the top three. Can we do the top three? I meant just like popping in. Oh my God. Forget it. Forget it. Forget it. Showers and storms from Virginia down into South Carolina. You guys are awful. That's all I have to say. I'm trying to make a friendly conversation with my friend Chris. Number 2.